channel. So today we are going to be doing this really fun Roaring 20s inspired makeup look. I thought that this would be something that's very glamorous and easy to put together. And if you weren't sure about what you want it to be for Halloween, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. So first, I'm going to prime my face with my BlackUp primer. Next, I'm going to be priming my eyes with my NYX Eyeshadow Base. I'm just going to lay this all over the lids before we get into the shadows. Next, I use my LA Girl Pro Powder in Banana Yellow to set my eye base. Next, I went ahead and grabbed my Stunning Vibes palette. I'm just going to be using this shade that has a bit of a in-between of a pink and a brown undertone. I'm just using this to begin to shape the crease. Once that was done, I went ahead and got this shimmery gold and just put on the center of my eyelids to kind of give this halo effect. I want it to really build the color, so I also added some black to the outer corner. So once I was finished with the outer corner, I took that same black and put it on the inner corner and just made sure that I blended everything together so it looks nice and seamless. So now I've just taken a very shimmery frosty eyeshadow and layered that over the gold just to increase the intensity. Now I'm taking my NYX black eyeliner pencil and just lining the eyes. So I went ahead and added some foundation. I used my MAC foundation, but now I'm just smoking out the rest of my eye with black. And as you can see, I'm just going slightly beneath the waterline. So now I'm just taking my BlackUp No Transfer Liquid Lip in the number 7. This shade was very popular during the 1920s, so of course I had to go ahead and use this. Now I'm going to be using my BlackUp highlighting palette, and I'm just going to highlight some focal points of the face like my brow bone and the nose and a couple other areas. So for the cheeks, I went ahead and grabbed my Glam Morphe palette. I wanted to make sure that they looked very rosy for this look. So next, I just went ahead and got my NYX Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. According to the research that I did, the star was really incorporated in the 1930s, but I still thought it would be really fun to add it to this look. Next, to complete the look, I use my Eye Envy lashes in 110. I thought these would be perfect, and they're also my favorite. So that brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you like this look and it's something that's easy to follow. I have so much more to come. If you recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. Bye, see you guys next time. Dior gang, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Please don't forget to share this content and subscribe.